Okay, we had measured this and I'd marked it, and this is where I want to file. I don't want to file out here or here, and I definitely do not want to use this file, okay? I need to take 5 thousandths of an inch off there, not 50 thousandths. This thing here would be like taking a lawnmower to it. So we're gonna get this out of the way. Temptation, the farther away it is from me, the less I'm tempted to grab it. And I've only got the tool at hand that I need. Again, I'm going to start with the same principle. I need to clean this before I get carried away here. And I'm just going to file through here. Now remember, we'll start in the center and work to one edge. And this is a technique you're going to have to learn on your own. Unfortunately, I can show you how I do it. It's going to be kind of like when we sharpen a drill bit. When we get past that point, that's really all I can do for you. I can show you my way. Now just hit the whole thing. And we should be pretty close. Kind of build on these. Okay, we'll see if just what we've done to that, if I've made it worse or I've made it better, but we're going to stick it back in the vise. This will be a little longer video. We'll clean it off. Attention to detail. Can't stress this enough. That's me rocking it a little bit. Well, let's see. I'm going to try to turn it like this so I can get more of this vise on there. Can you see it, Wolf?
Mm-hmm.
That's me talking about camera. Zero. And all of a sudden you can see we went from 5 thousandths to about a thousandths total indicator reading. And that's all the longer it took. So when you get into your finished part, don't freak out. You want to get it, do your rough and good. Rough it in right, pay lots of attention to when you're doing it. And when it comes to the finished part of it, check it off. Once you've got one end, flat, parallel, square, you're good to go. The next operations we're going to be doing are basic layout operations, how to sharpen a drill bit, and how to lay out and drill a hole in the correct location. But it's all for naught if we don't start with an edge that is square and parallel. We will not be able to effectively do any of the rest of that without this operation. What seems like the most mundane and boring thing you can do is the most important thing you will do.